My name is Remsy Atassi. I'm 30 years old. I'm from Toledo, Ohio, and I've lived in Chicago for 12 years. I'm a director and director of photography. I own a video production company in Chicago. The thing I love about directing is that you're able to work with such a diverse array of artists and different types of artists. Well, I'm directing a film in Chicago called Bad Animal. It's a feature film about chasing your dreams in the Chicago music scene. Letting go of control while making this film was extremely challenging for me. Once you're really in the weeds of it, it definitely is extremely intense and collaborative. When you give it away to someone and then they do something and they surprise you by how they did it so much better than you could have in that moment, it becomes more about what they can do than what you can do. So it's really exciting to see an idea that you have in your head come to life through like the word, voice, camera, choices of other artists. That is amazing and gives you confidence and is inspiring.